Welcome to session number 2 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals of class 7. In the last session we have discussed some definition related to fractions, and today we are going to do exercise 2.1. So let's start. Question number 1 of exercise 2.1. Solve 2 minus 3 upon 5. Here 2 minus 3 upon 5. Now you can write 2 as 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Then 5 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Here 5 into 2 is 10 minus 3 upon 5. Now 10 minus 3, 7 upon 5. Therefore 2 minus 3 upon 5 is 7 upon 5. Now Roman number 2. 4 plus 7 upon 8. We can write 4 as 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 into 4 plus 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 1 into 7 equal to 32 plus 7 upon 8. 32 plus 7 is 39 upon 8. Now Roman number 3. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Here denominators are different, and so what we have to do? LCM of 5 and 7. Now LCM of 5 and 7 is 35, and 35 upon 5 is 7, and 7 into 3 plus 35 divided by 7 is 5, and 5 into 2. Now 7 into 3 is 21 plus 5 into 2 is 10 upon 35. Now 21 plus 10 is 31 upon 35. Roman number 4. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. The LCM of 11 and 15 is 165. Then 165 divided by 11 is 15. Now 15 into 9 minus 11 into 4. 15 into 9 is 135 minus 11 into 4, 44 upon 165. 135 minus 44 is 91 upon 165. Now Roman number 5. 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Here denominators are 10, 5 and 2, and the LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. Now 10 divided by 10 is 1, 1 into 7 is plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 2 into 2 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now 5 into 3. 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 3, 15 upon 10. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15, 26 upon 10. Here 26 and 10 are divisible by 2. So we can write as 26 divided by 2 is 13 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now Roman number 6. Roman number 6 is 2 upon 3 plus 3 1 upon 2. 2 and 2 upon 3 plus 3 and 1 upon 2. So firstly we have to convert into improper fraction. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3 plus 2 into 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 8 plus 6 divided by 2 3 and 3 into 7. 2 into 8 16 plus 3 into 7 21 upon 6. Here 37 upon 6. 37 upon 6 is equal to 37 upon 6 को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. So 37 divided by 6. 6 and 1 upon 6. How? 37 6 times 36 minus 1. So here 6 is quotient, 1 is remainder and 6 is divisor. So 37 upon 6 is equal to 6 and 1 upon 6. Roman number 7. 8 and 1 upon 2 minus 3 and 5 upon 8. Here मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 upon 2 minus 8 into 3 24. 24 plus 5 29 upon 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 8 divided by 2 4. Now 17 into 4 minus 8 divided by 8 1. 1 into 29. 17 into 4 is 68 minus 1 into 29 is 29 upon 8. 68 minus 29 is 39 upon 8. Now 39 upon 8 को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So equal to 4 and 7 upon 8. How? 39 upon 8. 8 4 times 32 minus 7. So 4 is quotient, 7 is remainder and 8 is divisor. So 39 upon 8 is equal to 4 and 7 upon 8. Now come to the question number 2. Here question number 2 is arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So numbers are 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. मीन्स हमें इन्हें कंपेयर करना है विच इज़ ग्रेटर एंड विच इज़ स्मॉलर. सो कंपेयर करने के लिए वी हैव टू मेथड्स. नंबर 1, फर्स्ट फॉर like fractions but these fractions are unlike. So first we have to change denominators in same denominator. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Now LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So 9, 3 and 21. 9, 3 and 21 are divisible by 3. 3 times 1 and 7. Now 3, 1, 1, 7. Next 7, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 3 into 3 into 7 equal to 63. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. Here नाउ अब हमें सबका डिनोमिनेटर कितना करना है 63। तो 2/9, 9 को 63 करने के लिए किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 से। सो 2/9 इंटू 7/7। तो 2 इंटू 7 इज 14 and 9 into 7 is 63 and 2/3 equal to 2/3 इंटू 3 को 63 करने के लिए किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई 21। सो 21/21, 2 इंटू 21 42 and 3 into 21 63 and 8/21 equal to 21 को 63 करने के लिए किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई 3 से। सो 3/3, 8 इंटू 3 24, 21 इंटू 3 63। नाउ 2/9 इक्वल टू 14/63, 2/3 इज इक्वल टू 42/63 and 8/21 is equal to 24/23. Here we can check denominators are same. Denominator 63, 63 and 63. Now we have to compare numerators. Here 42 is greater than 24 greater than 14. Now so this one is the greatest fraction, therefore 42/63 is greater than 24/63 is greater than 14/63 and 42/63 is equal to 2/3. So 2/3. 24/63 is equal to 8/21. 14/63 is equal to 2/9. Therefore their descending order of 2/9, 2/3 and 8/21 is 2/3, 8/21 and 2/9. Now Roman number 2, 1/5, 3/7 and 7/10. Now LCM of 5, 7 and 10. LCM of 5, 7 and 10. Now 5, 7 and 10. So 2 5 times 5 1 7 1 and 7 1 1 1. Now LCM is 2 into 5 into 7 equal to 17. So LCM of 5, 7 and 10 is 70. Now अब हमें सबका डिनोमिनेटर कितना करना है 70. So 1/5 equal to 1/5 इंटू 5 को 70 करने के लिए किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 14. तो 14/14 equal to 14/70 and 3/7 equal to 3/7 into 10/10. Now 3 into 10 is 30/70 and 7/10 equal to 7/10 into 7/7, 49/70. Here denominators are same, 70, 70 and 70. Now we have to compare numerators. Here 49 is the greatest numerator, so 49/70 is the greatest number. Then 30/70 and the smallest number is 14/70. Here 49 is greater than 30 is greater than 14. Therefore 49/70 is greater than 30/70 greater than 14/70. 70. And 49 upon 70 is equal to 7 upon 10. So 7 upon 10 is greater than 30 upon 70 is equal to 3 upon 7 is greater than 14 upon 70 is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, the ascending order is order of 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 7 upon 10 is 7 upon 10, 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Now come to the question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? We have to check, is it a magic square? And the condition of magic square is sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonal is the same. So first we have to check along the first row. Here first row is 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. So 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11 equal to 15 upon 11. And along the second row, and the second row is 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11. 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11. Here denominators are same, so we can write as 11 and the sum of numerators 3 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 11. Now third row, along the third row, and the third row is 8 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11 equal to, denominators are same, so 11 and sum of numerators 8 plus 1 plus 6, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. Now along the first column, here first column is 4 upon 11, 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. So 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. Now denominators are same, so 11 and the sum of numerators 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15 upon 11. Now along the second column, second column is 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 1 upon 11. So 9 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 equal to 11. 9 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 15 upon 11. Next, along the third column, equal to, third column is 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. Now denominators 11, so sum of numerators 2 plus 7 plus 6, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. Now the first diagonal, here first diagonal we can take this one or this one. So along the first diagonal, equal to 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. So 11, and the sum of numerators 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. Next, along the second diagonal, equal to second diagonal, this one. So 8 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. Now 11, 8 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 15 upon 11. Now we can check here 15 upon 11, 15 upon 11, 15 upon 11. Here the sum of each row, each column and each diagonal is 15 upon 11. Therefore, since the sum of fractions of each row, each column and each diagonal is the same, therefore it is a magic square. Okay, now come to the question number 4. The question number 4 is, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 and 1 upon 2 cm long and 10 and 2 upon 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. So question number 4. Let this is the paper sheet and the length of paper sheet is 12 and 1 upon 2 cm and the breadth is 10 and 2 upon 3 cm. You can write as simple fraction 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, so 25 upon 2 cm. 10 into 3, 30, 30 plus 2 is 32 upon 3 cm. Now length of rectangular sheet L equal to 12 and 1 upon 2 cm, that is 25 upon 2 cm. Now wide of rectangular sheet equal to B, that means 10 and 2 upon 3 cm equal to 32 upon 3 cm. Now the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangular sheet equal to twice length plus breadth. Here length is 25 upon 2 and breadth is 32 upon 3 cm. Now the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 into 25 is 75. So we can write as 25 into 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 32. Here 2. 25 into 3 75 plus 32 into 2 64 upon 6 cm. 2 से 3 times. Now 75 plus 64 is 139 upon 3 cm. 139 upon 3 is 46 and 1 upon 3. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 139 upon 3 centimeter. So that's all for today's session. In the next session, we will do question numbers 5, 6, 7 and 8. Thank you and have a good day.